Hey guys, hey, I just wanted to walk you through a couple things since it's been a while since we've done this. But this is the assignment that you're to work on for Tuesday. And we've done this before a bunch of times, but this will all be on the computer. So I just wanted to walk you through it again. So, first thing you're going to do is once you log on to McGraw-Hill, go to chapter 15, Spirit of Reform, and go to chapter opener. Chapter opener, chapter opener. I want to do it. All right. So go to chapter opener over here. All right. Your first question is click on the chapter opener that introduces the chapter. Who is the poet? That will be listed there. How many of her poems appeared in print? You can find that there. Next thing it asks you to do is click on the time and the place, which is right here. Then the question has to do with the Seneca Falls Convention. So what you need to do then is go down to the timeline, and if you click on it there, it'll open it up and you'll see a bar here. You can scroll through until you find the Seneca Falls Convention. And then it's also going to say click on more information about the Seneca Falls Convention. What document is the Declaration of Sentiments modeled after? You would click on that information and there's a little plus sign, and this is where you'll find the information that you need. Next thing we are looking at is select lesson one resources, primary source. So lesson one resources, primary source. Read this information, which will allow you to answer these two questions, question 5 and 6. Then question 7 asks you to go to lesson 2 resources. So again, just for review, you come up here, lesson 2 resources, and what does it ask you? Lesson 2 resources and view the video. So remember, the videos are going to be here. They're going to have that little mark. There is the video. You would just click on that and watch the video. Why it's not up? There it is right there. So you would watch the video segment, a minute 39, that comes up after, and then it's going to ask you about the book that number 7 referred to, Harriet Beecher Stowe's book. What did it teach the people about? Then you go again, lesson 3, self-explanatory, and it asks you to view the resources once again, or view the video, excuse me. Again, the video you can see is right there. It's got that little play button. And then the last thing you do is one other resource from that chapter that you found interesting or something you learned from that resource. That's all you have to do. It should be pretty straightforward. As always, shoot me a note if you have questions.